See Trump's focus on manufacturing in the US, insistence on other countries buying American, leading to a clash of these objectives.
Forget Trump for a moment. I think we should be worrying about ourselves. We didn't have the focus on manufacturing and make in India before. So why is this happening now? It is happening now because till a few years ago, we were content to import from outside. And in this country, let's be honest, we've actually made manufacturing very hard to do. So once it's because now the Make in India is getting traction and Make in India is also getting into the defense segment that you are even asking this question. If you and I had sat here in 2013, you wouldn't have asked me this question. So the point is, look, today we are at a stage where it is absolutely essential that we expand our manufacturing. Without that manufacturing, we will not create that industrial culture. We will not be able to generate technologies of our own, and we will essentially end up as a market for other people. Now, my sense is, when you have a partner like India, if we are able to get things right, which means making it easier to do business, having the infrastructure, creating the technology institutions, encouraging the startups, improving the business and employment culture of this country, it makes us a worthwhile partner. If there is a worthwhile partner, the United States will be in a market for worthwhile partners. Again, to that extent, I come back to Trump. Trump is not against international partnerships. At the best I understand Trump, he says, pay your fare as you go along. So we are a country which pays its fair share. If we are able to bring things to the table, there are obvious benefits for America as well.
This pact on disengagement with China that we have, do you see it as a tactical thaw in ties, or do you see it as the beginnings of a possible strategic reset? Because our border issues remain unresolved, right? It's clearly not defined on either side. So are we beginning to see a strategic reset?
I see disengagement as disengagement. Nothing more, nothing less. If you look at our current situation with China, we have an issue where our troops are uncomfortably close along the line of actual control, which required us to disengage. And this last understanding of October 21 is the last one of the disengagement agreements, so that, with its implementation, the disengagement part of the problem is addressed. After this, there is the de-escalation, which means, the massing of troops along the LAC and all the associated developments with that. And linked with that, the other aspects of the relationship. So at this moment, frankly, we are focused on the disengagement. Where will the disengagement lead us? It could lead to, it's a reasonable supposition that there will be some improvement in the ties.